Hi everybody, this is Dr. Eudene. What if I told you that going back to school can actually build you a better brain? And I'm not talking about more degrees, I'm actually talking about building you a better brain. Well, according to new research, learning new complex tasks and new skills may actually help us to grow brain cells. And when we combine that with physical activity, it's like an amazing 1-2 punch. So what kind of things are we talking about here? Do we need to go back to school? And can't we just do crossword puzzles? Well, let's dive right into that. First of all, it turns out that doing crossword puzzles and other brain teasers actually can enhance our memories, but it doesn't seem to improve our ability to think quickly and process quickly. It doesn't seem to improve our higher cognitive functions. But when researchers looked at learning new skills and tasks that challenge multiple areas of our brain, like for example concentration, and along with memory, along with focus, and we're challenged to integrate all of those things, it was actually shown to grow new brain cells and enhance our thinking ability and slow down the aging process. So what kind of things are we talking about here? Is it super complicated? No. Actually, Annals of Neurology published a study that says even learning a second language, even as an adult, can actually slow the way the brain ages. So that's good news. But it doesn't end there. It can be things like photography, cooking, learning how to fix your own car. Anything that incorporates all of your brain and your attention and your focus and actually challenges you to integrate. It may even be retaking that math class that has always challenged you in high school or college. So, what new skill are you going to learn today? Is it photography? Are you going to learn to take those beautiful pictures you've always admired so much and promised yourself that one day you would be able to do that? Fun fact, learning, even taking college courses at this point, the fun thing about that is that it's no longer for a grade, it's for the pure joy of learning and mastering something new. And that's the way I've always wanted to learn, and that's the way I continue to learn new things now. Not because I'm compelled to, not because it's part of my major, not because it's required to graduate, but because I actually want to do it. I actually want to learn it. I actually want to master that skill, or at least learn a few techniques along the way. So go ahead, yes, absolutely, continue to do the crossword puzzle and those brain challenges, but go out there and challenge yourself to perhaps learn a new complicated dance, or challenge yourself with public speaking. Take that public speaking class, the thing that has always perhaps unnerved you the most. Get outside of the box, get outside of your comfort zone, and I promise you, that helps your brain to wake up. So until next time, this is Dr. Harry, and here's to learning a new skill. Bye-bye.